Good day, guys. Here with me is my middle son. We're making
An honest review.
a review or an honest review, I said, with our Model 3, T3, Tesla Model 3, which is the,
Big RC car.
okay,
It's
they
a
call it big RC car.
I call
It
a
can, you can summon it, it can drive by itself. Since we are here, as you see at the back, it's charging. You can, the convenience of this one is you can charge it at home. Okay, and you can get some discount from your electric provider, right? Okay, and I'm gonna turn it around to, or if this guy has any comment, you'll show it. And turn the camera at the back of this car. Okay.
My opinion on the Tesla is honestly it's just a big RC car.
Okay, and okay. I have any comment about the charging? Okay. Actually, the convenience is one is you just charge it at home. If you have any side, your plug is on the side. You have a plug on the side, but it's so hard for me because there's a fridge here. That's why we plug it over our garage remote one. On top of it is a plug for the garage, and this one you cannot take this out without pressing to your phone. This is all what they call, my son called it a remote because you need your phone to work everything. You cannot really, one, you have to go to your Tesla app. Where is the Tesla app? To unplug this one. Wait, give me some more minutes. Where is this Tesla? Search. We go to search. You cannot find it. Okay. What does it look like? That's it, question. Yeah, here. Okay, you must have this one. This is installed in your phone, this kind of app, where you see everything in your car, and then you press the unlock charging port, and before I press it, I'll let the cameraman take the, for the charging port will automatically unlock. So that's what you're gonna pull it out. Then I think this way.